Hey guys, it is Monday here in West Virginia, so you know what time it is. It's time for us to do our Mopar Monday here at our Mr.Norm's Grand Spalding Dodge Diorama. And today we're doing the second RLC version of this 69 Charger RT that you see sitting in front of you. We unboxed this black one about 2 weeks ago, and today we are doing the purple variant. So there is a third RLC version coming up, I think around December, that is in a yellow. What I've heard, I haven't seen pictures of it, just seen on the Orange Track Racing website that it will be coming out in December. And they do have a convention piece. It's like the dinner car or the finale car that is orange or red, but it's quite pricey. It's a couple $100 nowadays, I think. I haven't picked that one up, but I will try to get all of the RLC ones. At least so far, I'm caught up with it, but there is the one coming up here in December. So anyways, this is your Selection Series 1969 Dodge Charger RT. Very nice looking in this Spectraflame purple with the white tail stripe. And these multiple spoke wheels kind of remind me of like a Hildebrand like style wheel. So let's get him out of the Protecto. Get a better look at the card. So there you are. You get a better look at the paint this way. And we are cracking it, so you'll get a really good look at the paint. The card art is really cool. You have your Red Line Club emblem there, the Hot Wheels, in your silver reflective print. And then on the back, you have a little write-up on it, and it says, Power, Precision, Perfection. The 69 Dodge Charger RT is bursting with power thanks to the Elephant supercharged 1,000 horsepower crate Hemi engine. The hard-to-miss beast rocks purple Spectraflame paint and metallic silver finish real riders and turbine wheels. And a fully detailed engine and interior offer a sneak peek into what makes this car so awesome to look at. Don't miss the SLCT-RT license plate, reminding collectors far and wide that this car has a slight edge above the rest. So pretty cool little write up there. And then as always, it has the window where you can see the other side of the vehicle. So pretty cool for the guys that don't want to open, but I am an opener, so let's get him out and take a look at him. And I've already cracked this the other day. So set that down there and give you guys a look at this guy. So as you can see, very nicely done. Charger emblem on the B pillar, the RT in the tail stripe there. Detailed door handles, and these wheels do look pretty cool. And then the detailed SRT, I guess it would be like a 6.2 liter Hemi, like the 392, I would suppose. The trademark 69 split grille with your hideaway headlights. And as I said, the SLCT RT plate. And with the hood closed, it looks really good. Detailed window trim. Detailed gas tank lid. And detailed rain gutters. And mine does have one flaw on it. Don't know why, but there's buildup of paint right there. As you can see in the light, how it bulges just a little bit. Even my other one had a little flaw on the passenger door with a very, very tiny chip. I don't know what it is with these Chargers, but every one I get and rip open has a flaw to it. But it's not that bad. At least it's not a scratch or a chip. It's just extra paint, actually. So I can live with it. And then flipping him around, you have your detailed tail lights. And once again, the plate, detailed bumpers. And then this one has a chrome base with detailed exhaust. Very sweet car. Still think I'm favoring the black one, although this one is pretty cool. So let's put him down here with the black one and zoom in slightly so you can see both of them sitting there together. So pretty cool eye candy there. So guys, that's about it for our Mopar Monday today. We will be back again on Wednesday with a Wagon Wednesday. Need to give a shout out to Dino Meeks. He did a trade with me to help me obtain one of the wagons I've been looking for. It's a 69 Chevy Kingswood. Trying to get all the variants, and I'm doing pretty good on it. So we're going to take a look at the one I traded for with him, and then we'll take a look at a couple other ones that I've ordered recently to kind of fill in the gaps in my wagon collection, but I still need, I think, 2 or 3 more. So maybe one of you guys out there have one. You can help me out and trade with me or sell it to me or something. So I'll show you those on Wednesday, and we'll unbox 3 of them, at least maybe 4 if the other one gets here on time. They're all Auto World 69 Kingswood Estate wagons. So pretty cool. Tune back in on Wednesday to check that out. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the start to your week and enjoy your Memorial Day.